In this fast-paced life, we're used to running after deadlines. Often, we neglect our food and health either knowingly or unknowingly. Come, let's hear what India has to say. Meet Rishi. He recently got married and moved to Gurgaon 3 months ago with his wife.
It's a very new phase, very excited about it. There are again few challenges that we're not able to overcome, and managing food is one of them. The challenge is that we're so preoccupied with work that we do not have time for less important things. We tried solving this by hiring a housemaid, but things did not turn out well. The challenge is कि यार वो उनके खाने में ना वो घर के खाने वाली बात नहीं थी. So we went to a friend's house party maybe 2-3 months back. These guys had its subscription. So Chefkart sends cooks on monthly subscription. My wife, she booked a trial and it completed in a jiffy. The whole process was as simple as ordering your daily essentials from Zepto or Blinkit. I'm very happy. We rather are very happy because now we can work and take care of all the important things, and things like food can be taken care of by someone.
Meet Shreya, a young bachelor. She's recently moved to a new city.
I've always loved cooking and hosting people ever since my college days. But after my relocation, being in a new city, juggling work and cooking, it was all very challenging for me. I could barely manage 2 meals a day. Often I'd end up skipping food due to my erratic work hours. That's when, through an ad in the newspaper, I came across Chefkart. And ever since Geeta Didi has started working, my kitchen is no longer a headache for me. Life is so easy now.
Meet Rahul. He has tried hiring cooks before, but no one seemed to match his expectations.
Yeah, actually I have been very ill on regular basis because of my health issues, because of my unhealthy food I have been eating and irregular timings. और यही सब मैं अपने दोस्त को बता रहा था that he suggested me that I should give Chefkart a try. I went for it. Now my cook is coming on regular basis and I have been eating well, healthy diet. Yeah, my health has been better.
Meet Sakhi, mother of 2. She's devoted her entire life to looking after her husband and kids.
I've been a wife, a mother and a caregiver all my life. मेरा शुरू से एक सपना था कि बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे तो मैं अपना एक बुटीक का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करूं, लेकिन आपको तो पता ही है घर के काम. एक मेड तो ईजिली मिल जाती है, बट एक कुक मिलना इज़ रियली टफ. So one day my elder one came across Chefkart's Instagram page and I got to know about the free trial concept. मैंने वहाँ से कुक बुक करा, कुक आया और मेरी पसंद का ही less oily, less spicy खाना बनाया. And I have started focusing on my business now and it's been 5 months. My business has picked up and I'm no longer worried about managing my kitchen.
Meet Shikha and Anish. She's an operations manager and he's a professor in college.
Work is good, but I always knew that being a working parent would be really challenging, and trust me, it's not an easy task to find a decent trained cook here in this city.
Now we have so much family responsibilities to take care of, but we never had time to do all this by ourselves. Right? So we thought we should look in the neighborhood. But after exhausting all our options, we finally decided to sit online.
Yeah, and after searching online, we got to know about Chefkart. It was so easy, and our life is very sorted now, thankfully.
Things are changing. Cooking hassles are now history. Join the change in simplifying the way India eats, one home at a time.